Hey guys, in my last video we answered some frequently asked questions about the Skidmore X-Pot. Now we're going to talk a little bit more about how it works.
The X-Pot uses this magnetic grid that has rare earth magnets in it to capture any loose magnetic debris that might be floating around your closed loop hydronic system. What's not captured by the magnet gets picked up in the cartridge filter.
Once installed, the X-Pot will take just 24 hours to filter all the water volume in the system. The water first flows into the primary chamber. It's in the primary chamber where a significant amount of debris is removed. The larger oxygen particles, which are corrosive, will immediately begin to rise and will be released through the automatic air vent and out of the system. Meanwhile, fouling particles are attached to the magnets, which begin building up with magnite sludge. Having passed through the primary chamber, the water particles will then enter the secondary chamber via the baffle plate, where they pass through the filter. Because the hard work begins in the primary chamber, the filter in the secondary chamber isn't easily blocked. At this stage, the smaller oxygen particles, known as microbubbles, will not pass through. As you can see, they will sit on the surface of the filter. They will coalesce, rise to join the flow of larger oxygen particles, exiting through the automatic air vent. Remaining debris will be caught by the filter, meaning that the water quality upon leaving the X-Pot has been filtered and is now ready to re-enter the main system water flow. Over a period of time, your system will operate more efficiently with more reliability. By using the X-Pot, you will save on operational cost, capital expenditure cost, and increase the life cycle of system components. Some people will tell you it's been life-changing. It's been a lot more efficient. It's made us get the best value in terms of heat and temperature of the boiler's efficiency.